Polygon holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. First of all, I want congratulations to all Polygon Matic holders that the Polygon Magics, you are going to the moon. Matic holders, very congratulations to all holders that we are going to the moon. Now as you can see now on the screen, the whole chain is occurring in the Polygon Matic is going positive, so that's mean that the huge pump occurred this time in the Polygon Matic. Once again, congrats. And before seeing the emojis, I request everyone, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. And now it is time, the latest price of the Polygon is 1.86 USD dollar. On the other side, if you look the price changes occurring in the Polygon Matic, so the last 1 hour price change is positive, last 1 day price change is positive, last 1 week price change is positive. The whole changes occur in the Polygon Matic is going positive, so that is why I'm telling you congratulations my friends. And first, personally, I'm feeling very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the Polygon Matic, my friends. That is just the beginning jump of the Polygon in the June. I hope that the same like that the huge pump of the Polygon Matic are coming soon in the June. So be hold your Polygon Matic throughout this whole month, because I know my prediction about Polygon Matic is 100% positive, and I believe my friends that they will give you good amount of profit in the June, my friends. Don't be making mad, my friends. Don't do this mistake. Don't decide to sell, my friends. Hold your Polygon Matic throughout this whole June month, because the huge pump are coming soon and take profit. Anyways, my opinion is 100% positive about Polygon Matic, because I know you can see that is the quick jump of Polygon Matic, and now you can see they are again ready for a quick jump. So only profit you will get from Polygon Matic, and if you hold, my friends. Anyways, I remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, my friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel, my friends.